Hey everybody, welcome to day 10 of our summer sketches. Today we're going to be drawing the cutest rattlesnake you've ever seen using the letter S. All right, let's get going. We're going to start with our letter S. We're going to make a nice big S right here in the center. Okay, and what we're going to do is grab our pencil and start with the details. So you're gonna, basically what we're gonna do is another S. We're gonna outline this to kind of make one thick letter S. Okay, you're gonna come down, and when we get to the tail, we're gonna do something different. We're gonna make this a rattlesnake. So you're gonna make a little bit of an oval shape here. And then on top, a smaller oval, and then another smaller one, and another smaller one, and maybe one more little one at the top. And that's gonna be its rattle right there. All right, let's head up to the head. So I'm gonna make my little curved line here for the eyes. Another curve, and I'm gonna bring its head down and connect it to here, okay? And snakes sometimes get a bad rap, you know? Most people aren't completely thrilled when they see a snake. So what are we gonna do, y'all? We're gonna make this a smiley snake, a nice, friendly rattlesnake, okay? Look at, already looking cuter than ever. Now there's different types of rattlesnakes. We're gonna draw one. It's called a diamondback. The Eastern diamondback to be exact. So what I'm doing is just making lines, kind of V-shaped lines all the way down. And then what we're gonna do is in each V, do another V. This is a nice, simple one to make. As you can see, I'm left-handed, y'all. I wonder if there's any other lefties out there drawing along. But I have turned my page. I'm trying not to block you guys from seeing. So, all right, it's looking cute. Let's go ahead and outline it. These are little movement lines. Sometimes you see them in cartoons. Look at this little cute snake. I like him. You know, you could do it with this too. I want to know what has been everybody's favorite drawing so far. Have you been drawing along with us each and every day? I can't even believe it's day 10. Do you have 10 drawings? And have you noticed, are your drawings getting a little bit better every day? With drawing, it just takes practice, right? Lots of practice. So let's go ahead, I'm gonna grab my pencil, erase a few of these marks here. Color. Okay, I'm going to use a couple different color browns here, and you know snakes, they are very camouflaged, aren't they? So maybe I'll do my inside triangles brown, dark brown. What do you think? Do you think this looks like a scary snake or a friendly snake? And if you saw this snake in real life, what would you do? I'm gonna just outline the eyes real fast with a black. And there you have it, guys. A cute little snake using the letter S. I hope you guys give this a try at home, and don't forget to come back tomorrow for our next summer sketch.